it's your boy Deontay here with MI Munitions. Today we are bringing you a video that I've been excited about. Today is the upgraded CZ Scorpion review. Man, I did a lot to this. I put about $1,400 into this. I did some of the things I said I'd do in my previous review. So starting off at the front, I put a weapons light on here. I had an extra one of these laying around and it actually fit on the rail. So that's why I didn't change out the front part, this whole rail section, because I actually like it. Picatinny rails. I put these MK rail covers from Magpul on here just to make it, the overall grip feel nicer. I like them. It makes it feel more beefier, but also I don't have to worry about that rail digging into my hand, because I can do that. I changed the mag paddle release. It's more like an MP. It's more like an MP5 now. Feels much nicer and smoother, and it's not made out of plastic. I also changed the trigger. This trigger is phenomenal compared to the factory trigger. This trigger doesn't even have a wall, it just has a clean break. Let's check the reset. Sorry, I forgot to take the mag out. Now the reset. It's very nice. I had a lot of fun with shooting this. I shot 200 rounds with this trigger. And it's about 5 pounds compared to the 10-pound factory trigger. I had to change the red dot on here. I had the other one, this red dot, Hollow Sun. It had a higher mount, so I couldn't really co-witness, and it was just too high. Like when I was shooting, it was like this far above the target every time I shot. So I put this on here. This is still a nice red dot. It has shake awake technology that Hollow Sun is known for. But I also put a reduced weight trigger spring in here, so it goes phenomenal with the trigger. HBindustries, I got this from HBindustries. They make some really good products. I also got the safety delete from HBindustries, so now it is no longer digging my trigger finger. Feels nicer. I also got the pakse grip, pathfinder grip. It's a lot smoother. It's a little bit meatier, but that grip angle is not as aggressive. That grip angle kind of sucked. I don't know why they chose to go with that grip angle, but hey. And the thing about HBindustries is most of these, I got all of this for about $119 for a grip, trigger, mag release, safety delete, and the trigger spring, all for $119. That is a good price just to upgrade this. The gun itself is way more accurate than me. I was still getting some pretty good shots off, but I'm still learning as I go, so I'm gonna keep doing that training with it. I haven't had one single jam, and it's pretty accurate. I like it. This trigger is really amazing. HBindustries did a good job on it. I also got a few more CZ mags. Compared to the translucent mag, the CZ mag feels more durable, and so does the feed ramps. It feels like it'd be more likely to break compared to the translucent mags. And they also windowed as well, so they're windowed like the 20 rounds that they come with. But the CZ mag's just a little bit taller. and the translucent, which I don't mind really. I also got a sling. I didn't get a Magpul Sling for this. I just got one off Amazon. Cheap sling. If it was a rifle, I would have got a Magpul for sure. So I usually get Magpul slings on all of my gear. An improvement that I seen was the trigger with more accuracy. It was more likely to have a jerk to the left or right with it. Also, what I noticed about this is I have never had a jam with this. This is a reliable platform. This is my home defense gun. This is my go-to. So this is what I'm grabbing. Just because I don't want a loud rifle. If I ain't got no earplugs on, I don't want no loud rifle going off. Because, you know, it can cause permanent hearing damage. So a 9mm. It's not that bad, but it's still loud. But you'll be. I feel like you'll be much more alright than having a loud ass rifle. I would add a suppressor on there. I might buy a suppressor. I didn't do nothing to this. I might just get a threaded suppressor for this. But that's pretty much it for how I'd upgrade it, because I can go to upgrading other things. Also, something I didn't show in my last video, if you don't have one of these or you don't really know about them, the takedown is so easy. You just got one takedown pin right here. You just pull it out and then it comes right out. And then it's so easy to clean, and then you can just pull the bolt out. You just push forward, down on it, and then it'll come right out. It's very easy to clean. That's another thing I like about this gun. It's reliable and easy to clean. And all for $900, between $850, $800, and $1,000, you got a good platform. And then at the aftermarket for it, you can get so many upgrades on this. I didn't go all out on this, but I feel like I made a pretty good investment in it. Yeah, I feel like I did. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a good day. See you soon. I'm gonna be doing a review on these lights, and then I'm gonna be doing a review on these sights. So I hope you guys stick around. Thank you for watching.